Today we're in a home that's a fixer-upper's dream. There's a lot of repairs that need to be done around here. I'm going to start in the bathroom. Let me show you how easy it is to replace a toilet. The first thing that you need to do is turn off the water. Then flush the commode to drain as much water from the tank and bowl as possible. What we need to do next is use a wet vac to get the rest of the water out of the tank and the bowl. Ready, Ted?
Yep.
Disconnect the water from the supply line and remove the mounting nuts at the base of the old toilet. We're almost ready now to remove the old toilet. One more very important thing that you need to do. As soon as you lift the toilet up and set it down, you need to plug that drain with something. This will keep any of the sewer gases from coming up into your house, but it also keeps anything from falling down into the drain and clogging it while you're trying to work. What I'm going to use is this. I've put a rag in this plastic bag. What's good about this, my rag won't fall down into the drain because I can easily lift it out with these handles. Ready, Ted?
Ready.
Ted and I flipped a coin, and I lost. So what I get to do is scrape off this wax ring. To do that, I'm going to use a putty knife. Okay, what I need to do now is put the new ring on. Ted, would you hand me that, please? Thank you. The ring that I'm using today has a flange on it. See this piece right here? What this does, it fits down into the drain, and then that way you get a nice seal and you don't have any water leaking. Now the reason that it's sticking up like that is so that when you set the weight of the toilet on it, it spreads that wax out to give it a good seal. Okay, Ted, let's put it on. If you'll line up your bolt first. Got it? Okay, now all we got to do is tighten up the flange bolts. So let me just put these on right here. Okay, now I want to make sure that this is snug, but be sure and don't tighten it too much or it'll crack the bowl. Okay, now that that's done, what I want to do next is put the caps on. But I can tell by looking that the bolt sticks up a little too high, so all I need to do is cut it off with the hacksaw. Okay, I can tell that it's almost through, so I'm going to take the channel locks and just go ahead and get that off of there. Now what I'm going to do is reattach the water line, and then we can turn the water on. Okay, now I'm going to turn the water on. All right. Compared to most other do-it-yourself projects, this really was easy to do, and it only took us about an hour. Now, the best part was, we only spent about $60, so it wasn't expensive. You can spend anywhere from $60 up to $1,000, whatever you want. But the bottom line is, a project like this will really brighten up your bathroom.